I think one of the things that really takes construction accounting and makes it pretty complex a little bit more than just a standard mom and pop retail or another service type business is some of the job costing technicalities that you have to think about. Contractors usually have to keep their revenue and expense books on a project basis, and that's also for the owner of the project so they can understand what the margin is on that project and how they're managing costs. But then also they need that for GAAP reporting. So they have to report a work in process schedule, contracts completed, contracts not completed, and it gets technical. You have to reconcile contracts in excess of billings and billings in excess of costs from that WIP schedule over to the balance sheet. So there's a lot of ins and outs of the puzzle. So I think that's one. And then another common complaint that we have with contractors that really makes their area of the world a little bit more complex than others is just the ability to forecast. So you have issues where cash flows are very project based. So, if they're doing a lot of work, they might have a really good understanding on when that cash flow is coming in. But sometimes you have timeline slippage, sometimes you have lapses in backlog. So then that contractor is trying to maybe figure out how to fill those gaps with smaller service type work or smaller quick turn projects to complement some of the bigger jobs.